Shenzhen Emoko Intelligent Technology Company Limited is a specialized manufacturer of electric bikes and scooters, handling R&D, production, sales. We have overseas warehouses and after-sales support centers in United Kingdom, Europe, USA, Canada, and Australia, offering fast pickup and drop shipping services. We launch multiple new products every year. We hold numerous patents, and some of our models, such as the C93, C94 electric bikes, are popular in many countries. Our manufacturing facility located in Huizhou City, Guangdong Province, spans 5,000 square meters and is equipped with 4 production lines, boasting a monthly output exceeding 20,000 units of bike and e-scooters. We hold CE, RoHS FCC, GCC UN 38.3, and Mint DSD certifications to comply with transportation and quality requirements. All products undergo strict quality control including raw material inspection, burn-in testing, and battery life testing. Each vehicle undergoes comprehensive functional testing to ensure product quality. After years of operation, Emoko has numerous offline stores across the UK, Europe, and America. Emoko brand has established considerable recognition in these markets. Emoko's electric bikes and scooters are designed with the latest technology, ensuring a smooth and efficient ride. But more than that, they are designed with the planet in mind. Every Emoko vehicle is a step towards a greener future, a step towards reducing our carbon footprint, and a step towards a healthier planet. We offer both OEM and ODM services, and welcome new distribution partners to join us in building a successful future together.